Well, I think that's better. Well, for me, there's a way for me to answer that question about, with, teachers' ability. I think that's come up in the chat. You know, we frown upon, like, not all teachers have the same math ability, and that's true. But the way that I like to make things glass half full, I mean, unfortunately, elementary teachers or teachers who teach younger students are stigmatized by middle school teachers. Middle school teachers are stigmatized by high school. There's a hierarchy of knowledge. And I'll tell you this much, if my children were given the opportunity to have a teacher in third grade, and this one teacher has a degree in mathematics, but is a bit more formal and strict and gives lots of homework, good intentions, nice person, but I could see it being overwhelming. And then I have another teacher who I have a choice to choose. She comes from an arts, or he comes from an arts background, and this is their first year teaching ever. And they're going to tell my children, or whoever's in that third grade, this is my first year teaching. So this is my first year teaching math. Is it okay if we learn math together? I'm going to choose that teacher. See, for me, the humanist connectedness is far more important. I don't want, there's a mental health issue with math anxiety all over, especially North America. How many students have math anxiety, and the health and well-being which isn't there, and it's compromised, and that affects other parts, their self-esteem. And I just want my children to be healthy. And if there's a teacher there who's going to say, hey, in my background, I come from this background, but I want to learn math with you, I want that teacher.